Want to get in shape but don't know where to start? What if I told you that AI can create a personalized workout plan just for you? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to design an effective fitness routine, customized to your goals, fitness level, and lifestyle. Let's dive in. The first step to creating a workout plan with AI is knowing what you want to achieve. Do you want to lose weight, build muscle, improve endurance, or just stay active? Also consider your preferred workout types: strength training, cardio, HIIT, or yoga. The clearer your goals, the better ChatGPT can assist you. Next, give ChatGPT some details about your current fitness level. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced? What equipment do you have? Dumbbells, resistance bands, or just your body weight? Also, mention your time commitment: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour per day. If you have any injuries or limitations, include those too. Now it's time to let AI do the work. Just type a request like, create a 4-day strength training plan with bodyweight exercises, or design a 30-minute HIIT workout for fat loss. ChatGPT will generate a structured routine based on your input, including exercises, reps, and rest times. Once you get your plan, review it. Make sure it includes a mix of exercises, gradual progression, and a balance across muscle groups. If something doesn't feel right, ask ChatGPT for modifications, like increasing intensity or swapping out exercises you don't like. To stay on track, log your workouts. You can use Excel, Notion, or fitness apps like MyFitnessPal, JEFIT, or Strong. Tracking helps you see progress, stay motivated, and adjust your plan over time. AI isn't just for workouts. ChatGPT can also provide nutrition advice, meal plans, and accountability tips. Whether you need a high-protein meal plan or a recovery routine, just ask. And that's how you can use AI to create a personalized workout plan. Want more AI-powered life hacks? Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos on how AI can make your life smarter. See you next time.